Ever had that moment when your garage door just won't budge? You're not alone. The culprit may be hiding in plain sight. It could be your motor, those weary gears, or perhaps an elusive electrical glitch. Before you pull your hair out, there's a quick sanity check you can do. Give your remote battery a swift change or hit the reset button on your opener. It's surprising how often these little tricks can coax your door back to life. But remember, you're not in this alone. If your garage door remains defiant, don't hesitate to call the number 1-866-992-1816 for expert assistance. A faulty opener should never stand in the way of your day. So subscribe and stay tuned for more swift solutions to pesky problems.